Good morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we will discuss about intermediate mathematics, first year 1A. Topic is functions. It's very useful and advantage for all the topics of the mathematics. The functions very important. It's the basic of mathematics only. So let us discuss about functions. Before that, Cartesian product and set. So what is set? Set means a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Yes, a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Non-empty set means a set having at least one element is called non-empty. So empty means set have no elements is called empty set. Union of sets, intersection of two sets. So all these sets and relations, all these studied in earlier classes only. So therefore, we will discuss about functions. Before that, we will discuss about Cartesian product. So Cartesian product. Let A comma B be two non-empty sets. Then A cross B is equal to order to AB such that A in A and B in B is called a Cartesian product. Of A and B only. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to x, y. How can write A cross B? Means set of all possible ordered pairs only. That means we can write 1x and 1y, 2x, 2y, 3x, 3y. This is A cross B. And how can write B cross A? We can write reverse order only. That is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. This is the B cross A. So the Cartesian product, already earlier we discussed about the 10th standard only A cross B and B cross A. So A cross B is set of all ordered pairs, possible ordered pairs from A to B. B cross A means set of all ordered pairs from B to A only. So here consider as a number of elements in A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of elements B cross A 1, 2, 3 and 6 only. So the number of elements of A cross B always same as number of elements in B cross A. That is n of A cross B is nothing but n of B cross A. But not equal sets. The number of elements are same, but not equal sets. Coming to the definition of the function, sometimes called mapping. So definition is very important and useful definition. So basic of mathematics, right? Let A comma B be two non-empty sets. Then f from A to B is said to be function or mapping if every element of A which is unique associate with the elements of B only. So mathematically, that is mathematically for all x belongs to A, that means for every x belongs to A, there exists unique y in B such that f of x is equal to y is called a function only. Diagrammatically speaking, here A is a set and B is another set. Diagrammatically speaking, A is one non-empty set, B is another non-empty set. The containing element A is containing element f of A is equal to B only. So okay, right, this is a mapping only. This is called a mapping. So A having one element and B having, so B element is there. There how can define the mapping is every element of A which are associated, unique associated with element B only. A associated with only one element of B. So then only this is called a function only. So now we discuss about the examples. Example 1. Suppose A is set, another is B set only. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E. Suppose 1 associated with A, 2 associated with B, 3 associated with D, 4 associated with C. Then only this is called mapping only. F is called a function. All elements of A which are associated with the all elements of B, unique elements of B only. Therefore, this is called a function only. Is a function. And second one is, suppose this is A and this is B, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, S. This is also with this, also with this, and also with this, also with this. Therefore, this is B. Is it mapping or not? All elements of A which are associated with elements of B. But Z here, Z is associated with R and associated with S. That Z have two images only. So it is a failure of the imaging only. That is f of Z equals to R, f of Z is equal to S. Z having two images only. So it is not a function, not function only. Suppose A and it is B only. So A 5, 6, 7. 6, 8, 10 only. Suppose 5 associated with 10, 6 associated with 10, 7 associated with 10. Then only is it mapping or not? Is always a mapping. All elements of A which are associated with one and only one element in B. So no problem because 5 image is 10, 6 image is 10, 7 is element in 10. That means different elements here, different elements, unique image only. Therefore is also mapping. Here in this case, what is the advantage of the this one is not a function, this is a function only. This is a function because in this case Z have two images only. Here different elements have one image, no problem. But one image have here one element here in this case have different images only. That means it's a failure of the function only. Therefore Z has images are Z image is S. Therefore Z having only one image, then only function have two images only is not a function only. So it is also function is also function. For MSET and AEEE point of view, how can count the number of functions? So number of functions. Number of functions. Here A cardinality is M, cardinality of B is N only. Cardinality means number of elements in A. Cardinality number of elements in B. So number of elements in A is M elements, number of elements in B is N elements. That means A having M, B having N elements. Then the number of functions from A to B is this is here A set is there, here B set is there. Here how many elements are there? M elements. How many elements are N elements only? M elements, N elements. Is the number of is N power N only. That means number of elements in B. So number of, that means cardinality of B whole power cardinality of A. Cardinality of A only. That is number of elements in A is and A is M, number of elements in B is M. Therefore, the number of functions from A to B is always number of elements in B power number of elements A only. So, for example, suppose 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 3 2 only. So this is suppose a 4 also 3, this is also 4, this is also 2. So it is always a function only. So how many functions from A to B? How many functions we can arrange in A to B? It is one type of arrangement only. So the number of functions is here n of A. What is number of elements in A? Is 6. N of B is 3. Number of elements in B is always 2. So the number of functions from A to B is, what is the formula? Order of B power order of A. That is number of elements in B power number of elements in A. So that is 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8 only. 2 into 2 into 2, 8 only. So what about B to A? The same formula, applying the same formula. The B to A means number of elements in A power number of elements in B. That is from B to A is, what is number of elements in B? Number of elements in A is here 3 power here 2. It is 9 only. Number of elements, number of functions from B to A is 9 only. Number of elements from A to B is always 8 only. This is the definition of one of the application of the function is very useful to MSET and as well as AEEE and also ISET also, right? So the number of functions, we look at number of functions from A to B, we already seen, and number of functions from B to E is also discussed, right? So next class we will discuss about types of functions and what are the applications of the type of functions. So thank you very much for good listening.